kids! Welcome to Birdie's Book Club. I'm Birdie. Let's get cuckoo for reading!
Hi, kids! Welcome back. This week, I'm reading Dr. Seuss's Hop on Pop. Up, pup. Pup is up. Cup, pup. Pup in cup. Pup, cup. Cup on pup. Mouse, house. Mouse on house. House, mouse. House on mouse. All tall. We all are tall. All small. We all are small. All ball. We all play ball. Ball, wall. Up on a wall. All fall. Fall off the wall. Day play. We play all day. Night fight. We fight all night. He, me. He is after me. Him, Jim. Jim is after him. C, B. We see a bee. C, B, 3. Now we see 3. 3, tree. 3 fish in a tree. Fish in a tree? How can that be? Red, red. They call me Red. Red, bed. I am in bed. Red, Ned, Ted, and Ed in bed. Pat, Pat. They call him Pat. Pat sat. Pat sat on hat. Pat, cat. Pat sat on cat. Pat, bat. Pat sat on bat. No, Pat, no. Don't sit on that. Sad, dad, bad, had. Dad is sad. Very, very sad. He had a bad day. What a day Dad had. Thing, thing. What is that thing? Thing, sing. That thing can sing. Song, long. A long, long song. Goodbye, thing. You sing too long. Walk, walk. We like to walk. Walk, talk. We like to talk. Hop, pop. We like to hop. We like to hop on top of Pop. Stop! You must not hop on Pop. Mr. Brown, Mrs. Brown. Mr. Brown upside down. Pup up, Brown down. Pup is down. Where is Brown? Where is Brown? There is Brown. Mr. Brown is out of town. Back black. Brown came back. Brown came back with Mr. Black. Snack, snack. Eat a snack. Eat a snack with Brown and Black. Jump, bump. He jumped, he bumped. Fast, past. He went past fast. Went, tent, sent. He went into the tent. I sent him out of the tent. Wet, get. 2 dogs get wet. Help, yelp. They yelp for help. Hill, Will. Will went uphill. Will, hill, still. Will is uphill still. Father, mother, sister, brother. That one is my other brother. My brothers read a little bit. Little words like if and it. My father can read big words too, like Constantinople and Timbuktu. Say, say. What does this say? Ask me tomorrow, but not today. The end. What are some big words you can say? What do you think your pop would say if you hopped on him? Have you ever seen fish in a tree? Okay, kids, that's it for today. And remember, keep getting cuckoo for reading!